How to repair damaged hair. Try our hair repairing treatment. One session for $28 only. You'll achieve healthy and tangle-free hair. 360-degree beautiful hair that makes you look great in every angle. The treatment helps to restore damaged hair, strengthen hair cuticles, which ultimately revive hair health. Visible and proven results. Highly raved by influencers and bloggers. 100% safe and effective treatment. Presenting to you, Lisser 360 treatment with one free collagen hair booster. Hair repairing treatment. Try one session now for $28 only. Limited offer. Redeem now.